Have you ever formatted your PC and then suddenly nothing works? No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no sound, even the screen looks weird. And then you spend hours searching for drivers on random websites, downloading files, and still not sure if they are safe or even correct. It's honestly frustrating. But what if I tell you, you don't need any software or even internet to fix this? Yes, Windows already has a hidden built-in tool that can back up all your drivers in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to back up all your drivers before formatting and how to restore them easily after installing Windows again. Make sure you watch till the end because this can save you a lot of time. Before we start, let me explain quickly. Your Windows system already has driver installed for things like Wi-Fi, sound, graphics, Bluetooth and more. We are just going to copy all these drivers into one folder. So later, after formatting, you can install everything back in just a few clicks. First, connect a USB drive or external hard disk. You can save it on another drive too, but USB is safer. Now, open your USB. Create a new folder. Now name it anything. I'll name it drivers. Just remember where you save it. Now go to Start. Then search for CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. This is important, otherwise the command won't work. Now we will use a built-in tool called DISM. Don't worry, it's already inside Windows. Now in command prompt window, type this command. DISM space / online space / export hyphen driver space / destination : f : / drivers. If your USB drive is not f : /drivers, then change it to E or D or whatever your drive letter is. Now let me break it down so you fully understand. DISM, the tool doing the work. / online means current running Windows. / export hyphen driver, copy all installed drivers. / destination, where to save them. So basically this command is saying copy all drivers from this system and save them in this folder. Now press enter. Windows will start copying all drivers. Just wait, it may take a few minutes. Once it's done, you will see operation completed successfully. Now go to your USB and open the folder. You will see many files and folders inside. These are all your drivers: Wi-Fi, sound, graphics, everything. Now your backup is ready. You can format your PC anytime without worrying. Now after installing fresh Windows, you might say no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no sound, graphics not detected, and yellow warning signs. This is completely normal. Drivers are missing. So now let's fix it. Connect your USB. Now right click on Start. Open Device Manager. Now at the top, right click your computer name. Then click on Add Drivers. Now click Browse. Now select your USB and expand it. Then go to your drivers folder. Now click on OK. Enable Include Folders. Then click Next. Now Windows will automatically install everything. Now as you can see the message, drivers successfully installed. Now restart your PC. This is very important. After restart, everything will be fixed. Wi-Fi working again, Bluetooth back, sound working, graphics card detected, and no more warning signs. Your PC will feel just like before formatting. Later, if any driver stops working, right-click it. Then click on Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer. Now click on Browse and select your drivers folder. After that, enable subfolders. And then click Next. Done. So yeah, that's how you can backup and restore all drivers easily without any software or internet. So that's it for today. If you found this guide helpful, then please give it a like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your supports really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.